awards, and the event that we're doing is L.A.N.D. And what L.A.N.D. means to us is to listen, to ask, to navigate, and to drive. And those are key words that we taught people that come to R.A.W. And we made an art piece that describes one of those 4 words.
My role here at R.A.W. Artworks is to be a R.A.W. chief, which is kind of like an older mentor that's in high school to a younger variety of groups, children ranging from elementary school to middle school. And usually what I do every Wednesday, I work with these kids. I have an elementary school group. And so I work with them just to make an art piece, whether it be deep enough to get into life in general or just something fun to do. Anyway, it just helps them learn about life in some sort of way. It always has a secret message laying there somehow. And so that's being from a mentor to little kids. I'm kind of like an older brother, older sibling.